What up guys, so today I'm actually going to clean the engine bay of my car. I've never done it before, but I know exactly how to do it properly. When I started at Perillo, they would actually make me clean the engine bays on the Lamborghinis that were sitting there for like months on months. So I'm going to do that today to my car, and also because my boy's going to work on the car soon, and if the car is kind of dirty, it's hard to tell where the leaks are coming from and stuff like that. My car is sitting like right in front. I brought it all the way in here. So I'm going to use a steamer to clean the engine bay, and as I do it, I'm going to tell you guys what not to do, because I see a lot of guys take your car into the car wash and they'll power wash it. I'm going to tell you this right now, don't let them do that. There's many reasons to why, and I'm going to get through them in a bit. Alright, so first pop your fucking hood. Oh wait. Now, I'm going to go ahead and do this shit. Alright, you see how dusty this shit is? I gotta clean all of that. Like this right here, that shit ain't good. It's covered in oil, so I'm guessing oil's leaking out of this cap. I probably need a new cap. That sucks. I don't want to waste money, but whatever. And like I said, you need to clean the car so you exactly know if it's leaking and from where. But yeah, let me get to it, guys. So remember how in the video I made like 2 days ago I was telling you that I needed to repaint this bumper? So now I really have to. Check this out. So earlier today, this fucking guy, he hit me, and I felt so bad because I could tell he didn't have money. And then his son, look, he hit me right here, and he kept trying to tell me that he didn't, but his stance on it was that he thought he hit me in the middle. I knew he hit me right here because this thing fell out, and there was no other way for that thing to fall out other than if he hit me around this area. And you could tell that he bumped me right here and also like right here. And the paint just cracked because, as you could see when I pushed this in, the paint just kind of moves. You saw that? I really don't care. Because anyways, I'm gonna get it repainted soon. So I'm gonna use this, and I'm taking off these things because I can, and I want to be a little extra. So you don't have to do this shit, but just make sure you clean this area, and if you want, do that. It's up to you. It just makes it easier to get to the back. As you can see, that's all fucking dusty, and the front's pretty clean, so that's exactly why. But again, do not use a power washer for this. Don't take your car in to get its engine bay cleaned with a power washer. This should be done by hand. So with a spray bottle and towels, that's it. I get to use a steamer because I have one, and it's kind of the same thing, but it just helps take everything off a little easier. I don't know if I told you guys, but I actually had a new valve cover installed like right before the winter started. There's my like vanity cover. I just cleaned it. It looks so good. Alright, I'm about an hour in, and let's see, what have I done now? I cleaned a little more of this area, and this part I'm contemplating whether I'm gonna take these out and just remove it so I can clean it properly. But I don't know, we'll see right now. I cleaned this up right here, the manifold. I would love to get in there, but I don't have enough time, and it looks like it wants to rain, so I don't know. Also clean these sides because they look disgusting. You see this one over here, it looks good now. This one over here looks like shit. And then I cleaned. Now I'm getting to this side, so I'm about to get to that. And I cleaned this whole air filter. Let me show you what else I'm doing, because as you could see, I'm just using water and a rag. And let me show you how I'm doing it. How you could do it like this, so you guys don't tell me that I had a steamer and you guys didn't. I actually did this whole half, this side of it, just with this, and I actually did the valve cover, like this part right here, and just like the lower parts, these parts down here. You can't really see them because it's like there's no light on there. But yeah, I mean, I'm just cleaning up the tops of stuff too. make everything look clean. It just gives everything a better look. See? That looks way better. And as you can see, I still haven't gotten to that, but watch. Just with water and a rag. See? Look at that. But yeah, I'm just gonna clean up just a little bit more, and then I will start putting the valve cover on. I just put the vanity cover, and now this is with everything pretty much clean. What do you guys think? I think that shit looks great.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
I finally finished. I could have done more, to be honest. Like, I could have gotten into these little corners, but I didn't because I didn't have the right tools on me. Like, I need little wedges, and not just that, but the steam machine ran out of water. But this is as far as I got, and this was all I was really gonna do anyway, so it looks great. Those little white things look super clean. Just by opening it, looks like the car is well taken care of, so that's really what I wanted it to look like. Alright, finally finished. I know this isn't like what I usually do, but I wanted to teach you guys about how to clean your engine bay, because I've seen so many times people take their cars into a car wash, then they spray it down and the ECU goes out or something goes out electrically and the car does not start anymore. I've seen it happen countless of times, more than a handful, and it also happens on brand new Lamborghini. So, you know, I just want you guys to know how to do shit properly and save yourself that risk. So don't do that. Just clean your car yourself. The engine bay, at least, clean that yourself. Just use a spray bottle and a rag. That's all you need. You could use a degreaser too, but that's up to you at that point. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And next, I got a full interior detail. Now, keep in mind, guys, I've done these jobs for Lamborghini and Ferrari and Rolls-Royce, so I know what I'm doing. Like, I get paid to do these things.